Hi, invested parents out there. I know most of us are grappling with questions like, am I being a right parent? Am I doing the child parenting right? My child is such a fussy eater. What can I do about it? Oh, my child is so shy. How can I let her out and speak? I know these are some of the questions that we daily encounter. And this is exactly the reason why we are having the art of parenting workshops by the parenting specialists. We have Mr. Lakshminarayana Kamath visiting us at night and interacting with all our invested parents, sharing his knowledge and experience of how parenting can be made a beautiful experience. He comes from the organization called Excelobic that aims to have parenting excellence. So I invite all parents to join us on the 30th of September between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for the students of Flight Senior and Flight Junior, and again on the 1st of October between 10:30 to 12:30 p.m. for all the children of Flight Dots and Flight Nursery. Don't forget the dates, block your calendar. This is your experience. You give the best childhood that your child can have and deserves to have. So I'm going to see you on the 30th and on the 1st. See you.